Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this look right here, and I'm using the new Naughty Nude palette by Huda Beauty. So if you want to know how to get this look, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please turn on the bell notifications so you can be notified every single time that I upload. Now let's get started with the tutorial. Hey guys, so here is the palette. This is the Naughty Nude by Huda Beauty. Isn't it so gorgeous? And it's great quality too. It feels really nice and sturdy. And this is the inside of the palette. I hope you guys can see all the colors. They are really nice. So this is like a dream burgundy color. You get 18 shades, and this palette retails for $67. So it's a little bit on the pricier side, but she does offer afterpay if you want to pay it in 4 payments. So this one comes with 18 shades, 8 velvety soft mattes, 5 high shine metallics, 3 multi-reflective marble creams, 1 hypnotic marble cream, and 1 never before seen gloss. I do have my primer. This is the P. Louise base in shade 2. And it is not set, so it is creasing. So I have to go back with the sponge and fix that up. So now I can start. And I'm using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe JH40. I'm going to take the shade Untamed, this one right here. I'm going to work with the darkest shade first and work my way down to the lightest. So let's start applying this to the inner and outer corner. You guys know how halo eyes work. So you start stamping the shade on the inner and outer corner, on the bottom, and you kind of want to connect it. This is a very nice shade. It's so pretty in person, so that is what it looks like so far. And you can put color here in the middle, it doesn't really matter, just so you can get what the shape is looking like. I know it looks crazy now, but it'll come together. The next shade that I'm going to take is called Naughty, this one here. It's a little bit lighter. It's more brown though than the other one that I put on. This one's more burgundy and this one's a little bit more brown, but it's still kind of pinky. So I'm just going to take that on the edge of the last one and start blending it out little by little. And this brush is from a Morphe set. It doesn't have a name. Going to start blending it. This is a M441, and I'm going to take the shade, let's see which one's more pinky. I'm going to take the shade Juicy, which is this one here. That's the shade Juicy, and it's more pinky than the one on top. The one on top is more brown, and I want to keep this look a little bit more pinky than anything. And you see how the color, I don't extend it all the way out. Since I'm not doing like a cut crease and I'm not extending it outwards, not like a cat eye. So I'm keeping this more rounded more than anything. And now is when you want to go back and just apply the darkest shades again, just so you can make them darker. So I'm going to start with the darkest shade and start applying that one more time. Since you're blending and blending, they kind of like fade away. So now I'm going to go with the next shade. And now is when you want to cut the crease. So I'm going to start doing that right now. And I'm just going to take the same Alamar Cosmetics brush, the flat one. And I'm going to start using my P. Louise base once again. So with this one, you want to start in the middle for the spotlight effect. So right here. And you want to kind of eye it where your crease folds. So I go a little bit above that. I'm going to use this shade Irresistible, which is this one here. And I'm going to start applying it on the lid. That is very pretty. These shimmer shades are really pigmented. Look at that. Maybe I'm gonna go in with the shade Shameless, which is this one here. Just a little bit on top to make it a little bit more pinky. That's pretty. So that made it a little bit more pinky. And let's go ahead and fix that up. So I'm going to go back with the darkest shade Untamed and fix the edges. And then with this little flat brush, I'm going to take the shade Filthy, this one here. And that one is going to go on the brow bone, just to make it a little lighter and bring down the darkness. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes a little bit. And then I'm going to apply my mascara, which is the Morphe one. This one here. And voila, that looks really pretty. But I am going to add some falsies. So I'm gonna do the other side off camera, and I'll do my whole face, and then I'll apply the falsies off camera as well, which are these Gabriela lashes in the style Chiquita. And this is the style here. So I'll be right back in just a few seconds. I am back with both of my eyes done. I just need to do the lower lash line, so I'm going to do that with you guys. And I'm just going to use the colors that I used on top. I'm going to use them on the bottom. And first color I'm going to take is, I'll take the color Naughty. It's the second to the darkest color. And I'm going to take that and connect it to the outer corner where the eyeshadow is at, like that. So far I've been enjoying this palette. It's so good. I really highly recommend it. I know it's a little expensive, but it's worth it. It's really good quality, and the shadows blend so nicely. So if you want something for Christmas, definitely ask for this eyeshadow palette. I know this video is going up on a Tuesday, so you know, some last minute ideas. Or even if you get like money or gift cards for Christmas, definitely get this palette. It is a must. And so far that is with all the shades that I've used today. So, and now I'm going to take an angled brush and I'm going to take the darkest shade. So I'm going to take the shade Spicy. It's the one over here on this side. It's a little bit more brown, I think. I think it's as dark as Untamed, but a little bit more brown. So I'm just taking that in the outer corner. I'm just going to use my Sugar Pie lip pencil from Morphe. I'm just going to do my lips now. For lipstick, I'm going to use the shade Fleshpot from MAC. The gloss that I'm going to use is called Bubbles by e.l.f. Just a little bit of gloss. I've been loving gloss lately. Well, who am I? So this is the final look. This is what it looks like. I am really digging it. This palette is so nice. I really do recommend it, even though it's a little pricey, but the quality, it's really there, you know. So all the shades blended out nicely, even though I didn't set my eyeshadow base. Everything blended out like a dream. So this is the outcome, and I really do love it. I love the shimmers. They really went on nicely. Sometimes with other palettes, shimmers don't show up well, but with this one, just with a little swipe with your finger, I didn't even have to wet my shimmer shades, so that's a good sign. And look at that, I just am in love with these type of colors. These berry colors are really nice on brown eyes because they make your brown eyes pop. So they make my eyes look a little bit lighter, as you can see. But yeah, I do really recommend it for $67. I know it's a little pricey, but they do offer afterpay, like I said, so you can pay that palette in 4 payments and you'll be done with no interest. So definitely check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video right here. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.